So how to transfer money from Santander to Revolut. So to transfer money from Santander to Revolut, you're firstly going to want to go ahead and open up the Santander app, which as you can see we've got it open right here. And once you've done that, you'll then just want to head over to the Revolut app, which as you can see we're on Revolut here. And you simply just want to go ahead and select Add Money right here. Then once you've selected Add Money, you simply just want to go ahead and input the amount that you wish to transfer from Santander into your Revolut account. So for the example of this video, we're going to say £10. Then once you've done that, you simply just want to go ahead and click here. And then it'll open you up to this page here. So as you can see right now, it's currently selected Apple Pay. So you want to go ahead and change that, and you want to change it to Easy Bank Transfer. Then once you've selected Easy Bank Transfer, you can go ahead and press Done, and then it will pull you back through to this page here. So you want to go ahead and select Continue. Then once you've selected Continue, it'll open you up to this page here, and you simply just want to scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says Santander right here. So you want to go ahead and select Santander. Then once you've selected Santander, it will then go ahead and pull you through to the Santander app, and then from there, you just need to go ahead and authorize the payment. So there are a couple of security steps to complete. So you just need to list the reason for the transfer, select Next, and then go ahead and input your Santander code. Then once you've inputted your code, you just need to wait a little bit. And then from there, it should then go ahead and pull you back through to the Revolut app, and you should be notified right here that your transfer from Santander to Revolut was successful. And it is as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.